It's time to share with you the bag, which I wonder if I haven't made a mistake, if I haven't been hyped in the shop or kind of, in that, thing that you get your hands on something and you just buy it. Hi, welcome to my channel, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for today's video. Today I want to share with you a bag. It's a Louis bag, which I bought a while ago and it might have been a mistake. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Natalia and I am a self-admitted shameless shopaholic, and I post on YouTube videos on how I spend my money or how I waste my money. So if you enjoy shopping, especially luxury expensive handbags, but also non-designer fashion, please consider joining my Anonymous Shopaholic Club down below so we stay in this addiction together. It's time to share with you this Louis Vuitton bag, which I bought months ago. Actually, I bought it on my birthday trip, which was end of November, and I kept it at home. I haven't used that bag. Actually, quickly I was thinking maybe it was a mistake to buy this bag. Not because I don't love the bag, the style. I will show you why I wore it. It was a mistake. Let me tell you the story quickly before why I actually end up buying this bag. So I wanted to get a Damier Azur piece from Louis Vuitton. So here we go. It's a Damier Azur piece, very summery, so it's actually the right time. I have to unbox it, share it on YouTube and start using it because now the time is coming. So I wanted to get a Damier Azur piece and I was scrolling through, Louis Vuitton app, and I was looking what's there in Damier Azur. Not so much there. Now they have some few releases actually in Damier Azur, which... I'm not fan of that handle that, braided or, this kind of, weird handle. I'm not fan of that. So anyway, so I was looking and then I wanted a Croisette chain wallet. It had pink leather sides. That is not available on the website anymore. So I wanted that one, and actually I spotted this I thought about it a few weeks before I was in the store. When I noticed the bag, that I was like, oh, that might be the Damier Azur piece for me. I saved it and then I was checking it, and it was available in Milan for weeks. So I was checking every now and then it was available. I think that system is updating like every 24 hours or something like that. So I think if item is sold in the during the day, you don't see that until the next day. And while I was queuing up to Louis Vuitton, I checked if that bag is available, or that wallet on a chain. It was supposed to be available. So when I got into the store, I asked the sales associate that was helping me about this one, and then I was having a look around. And she came back and said, no, we don't have that one. And I was quite odd. What? I was just checking, 5 minutes ago in front of this store on my app that the bag is still available. So I was like, okay. And then I told her that I want something in Damier Azur, if she could bring what she has in Damier Azur available. And she brought me, I think, a couple of items. And she brought me this bag, which I got like, oh, wow, because I was thinking that this bag is very, very hard to get, that this bag you cannot really, I'm not sure actually if on the website you can even click to add to cart, if it's not only check or contact the store or something like this. So I got into the wow, that moment when you go, I got my hands on this, wow. And I love the shape of the bag, I love the style of this bag, but there is one thing which I don't like, and let me show you the bag, so then we will talk about that. And I guess when I told you all of this, you probably know very well which bag is this, but let's do it properly. So, ladies and gentlemen, I got the Croisette bag. I probably completely ruined the name. So I really adore the style of this bag, and then when I got it in my hands, and I was like, oh, I thought that this bag is really, really hard to find in the store. I got that hype on it, but the thing which freaks me out about the bag is the Vachetta. I had the rule that I'm not going to buy any bag that has considerable amount of Vachetta. So, I mean, this piece on the toilet pouch or something very tiny I can live with, but I was saying never buy Vachetta, and I know, I know. I am not I like the bag as it is now. I am not a fan of the bag of the Vachetta aging too much. Maybe a little bit, then I'm okay with it, but I don't like the, you know, brown color of the Vachetta. And what is even more important, I don't like this handle and this piece of leather here being stained with water, being stained with I don't know, hand sanitizer or whatever else, like you spill something. So I am okay to have some wear on the bag if that's hardware scratches. So actually there is also a sticker here, so you know it's new, it hasn't been used. So I'm okay that, you know, some little scratches on the hardware and, like, you know, some use, but I don't want to have like a stupid stain on it. And let's not forget, I live in Iceland. Yeah, so that really tells you how much you can be hooked up in a Louis Vuitton store and just buy something which you would think, I never buy this. So that is my problem with this bag. And of course I can tie a twilly on the handle, and actually I went ahead and bought a ribbon. So I just picked something like, you know, really cheap, and I think this one is not really the best because it's kind of thin. I don't think the quality of that ribbon is good, but I mean, it was like, you know, very cheap, so I might buy another one. And I actually tried to use some other ribbons, like this Christmas version of Louis Vuitton ribbon, and I think it looks so beautiful. So I might actually use that red one. How cute that red looks with this bag. It's really, really delicious. So I might use this ribbon actually. But yeah, my concern is also this, because that's actually very prone for touching and, you know, being ruined. I think those little tabs here, they are not such a big deal. They are like a little bit hidden. And I wanted to get this spray apple guard, but there is no way I can get it shipped to Europe. So if you know by chance if there is any other spray that I could use to protect that Vachetta, please let me know. Please let me know. I really want to protect this, because it's not that I don't like the bag. I actually really like the bag. The bag is adorable. It's very cute, very girly. And I really wanted something in Damier Azur. Like, I want to have, of course, all the Louis Vuitton prints to, like, I don't know, experience them and try them. And also, I think this is more of the... you know, I'm kind of not a brown person that much, which doesn't say actually today on my outfit. It actually seems like I am a very big fan of brown, but I am actually not. So I was very excited, and this Croisette wallet on the chain had that pink, you know, treated leather. I mean, the leather colored in pink, which I think with Damier Azur looked so pretty, so cute and so girly. I think actually it was the same color like my card holder, so wait. So I think that leather was treated with this kind of pink color like this card holder. By the way, it's a cute set. So I really adore that. I really wanted to have it in this beautiful pink. And another crazy idea which I had was actually to send it to a handbag clinic. Actually, that's the name. I found them on YouTube, and I sometimes watch their videos just for fun. Like, I like how they restore handbags. So I will link them below. And I actually reached out to them and asked them for how much it would cost to just paint the, you know, Vachetta pieces in pink and just make it this way, like, you know, my way. And first of all, they responded it will be nearly £400, because the company is based in the UK. So they said it will be nearly £400, which is a lot, considering that I paid for this bag 1,350 euros. So it was before the price increase. And they also told me that they don't advise to do that. They told me that something about the Vachetta taking a lot of colors, or something about coloring Vachetta, and they said that it will devaluate the bag, like it will put the price of the bag down, which is not really my concern about the price of the bag, because if I buy the bag, I'm not really intending to sell it, and if I enjoy it and then I sell it for a lower price, whatever. But that was not my concern. But they said something about that Vachetta is not a good idea to color this, and also the price was, I think, quite high. So now, after I told you the story why I'm confused if I haven't made a mistake, let's just enjoy the bag. Let me give you a tour on the bag. So the front, it has this trapeze shape, but like a kind of chubby trapeze, and yeah, it's like here doesn't have any back pockets. Here is this opening which you press and it opens like so. There is stuffing inside. Get rid of that. There is a strap which is also Vachetta, but I am not worried about that. I'm going to use a chain anyway, so that's not really my concern. And it has also a tassel, which is also Vachetta. So that's, I like this tassel actually hanging here, but not really in Vachetta. And it's actually very nicely made because the tassel is in Vachetta, but then it has a red color inside. So that's a very cute detail. So we should put this here. Okay, so we have the tassel here. Let's have a look at the interior. That beautiful pink. Like, how cute it would be if that same pink color is on the leather pieces. I think that would be much nicer for the bag. I would really love that, you know, if it's the leather is on the same pink. That's the rose ballerine, I think. And well, inside is one slip pocket, and it has that, you know, made Louis Vuitton. Made in France. That one is made in France, so everybody is excited about bags made in France. My boyfriend is half Italian, and he's always saying that it's better if it's made in Italy. So, you know, if you ask Italians, the bags, they should be made in Italy. So I actually don't mind if they are made in France or Italy. Okay, so let's take the sticker off together. So, beautiful shiny hardware. Yeah, that's a very nice bag, very nice bag. So that's the cutie. So now I can start using it, wrap the handle, wrap this one somehow, and then start using it a little. If you know what I can do to protect that Vachetta, please let me know, because I really love this bag, and honestly I love also the Damier Azur version of this bag. And I asked, they didn't have that one in stock, so I would probably go with that Damier Azur if they would have had it, but they didn't. So I went for this one, and the other bag that she showed me, it was Felici, and I was thinking about Felici. Felici is actually, I think about it, I was planning on it, but when I get my hands on Felici, it's something is not right, or something is like, it doesn't feel right. And one of the main rational reasons, I think, is actually too small. And the Felici bag cost 1,100 euro, and this was 1,350 euro, and this is a proper bag. And honestly, I think I have never been a fan of micro bags and this kind of, you know, but I downsized, and I was like just using some card holder and my phone and keys and like that. But now I got kind of tired of those tiny bags when you have to, like, you know, put so much effort to put everything in and then take something out. So I started being more into the bag when I can just drop things and I don't have to shovel around to get them out, in and out. Yeah, I was like, okay, I want really a bag, and if I have to add, I don't know, a passport into it when I travel or something like that, I don't want to be like, okay, how am I going to fit it in? So that's why, another reason why I went for this one. So guys, please let me know, what do you think about the Croisette bag? I think I'm butchering the name, but anyway, what do you think about this one? Do you have experience with this? And also, again, please let me know if you have any ways of covering Vachetta, protecting Vachetta, some kind of ribbons that maybe you are using. So if you have some other like fun things that you do with your bags to cover the handles, or maybe also cover this one, please let me know. I really want to yeah, do something about the bag, so I don't have to worry and freak out every time I use it, and I want to enjoy it because it is a beautiful bag. It is a very cute bag, and I love Damier Azur. Actually, I didn't think initially that I will be interested in Damier Azur piece, but I actually do love it. It's really nice and very summery vibe, which probably is supposed to be. Anyway, enough rambling and moaning around. Thank you for watching, thank you for spending some time with me. I hope you enjoyed, had some, you know, entertainment. Please give a like if you did, and please take care, enjoy your life, and until next time, bye guys.